Hi friends, my name is Lalit Sheshank. Today I am going to show you how to play Merge Dinosaur. So let's start it. First you have to get two dinosaurs and merge them. Now I have got a new dinosaur. If you keep on this line, it will run. If it reaches the rocks, then it will earn some money. Depending on the dinosaur, we'll get the money. And in this book, we can see which dinosaurs we have unlocked. If you want the dinosaurs fast and you don't want the egg, then you can click on this dinosaur face. Then you will get dinosaurs. Like this you can evolve with dinosaurs. If you level up, then you can keep more dinosaurs run and you will get more nests. Now I have bought some dinosaurs. I have leveled up. I am level 3. Now we have got a gift box. In this we will get 10% more money than the starting. If we click on this golden dinosaur, then we will get the money. Now if you have fill this circle, then you will get 10% more money. Now I am adding the dinosaurs. I have got a new dinosaur called Protoceratops. It earns me more money than other dinosaurs. The more level the dinosaurs are, the more money they will give us, and they will run at speed. If you don't want to be slow in earning money, then click on the dinosaur and it goes speed than normal. Now I am level 4. Now an ad came. Now I am buying the dinosaurs and merging them to get more powerful dinosaurs. Now I have less money, so now I am going to speed this Protoceratops to earn money. Now I have got enough money, and now I have to get a new dinosaur. I have to get Protosaurus next level. So now I am going to click this dinosaur with 2 heads. Now it will show us an ad. If you see this ad, then your dinosaurs will speed up and you can get money fast. If you see the ads, then you can get this. You can get more money so that you can have more powerful dinosaurs. Now it's on full speed, and if you click on it now, then it will be more speed than ever. The more the dinosaur level is, the more it will come. The more speed it will be. If the dinosaur is more level, then the dinosaur will run fast. Now if you click on the shop photo, then you can get other dinosaur than first one. Now I have got more dinosaurs. If you be more level, then your nest will be more and you can keep more dinosaurs on the run to earn money. Now I have got 10% more. These all are running fast. Now I am going to evolve these dinosaurs and make them even more faster. Now in these settings you can turn off the music and sound or on the music and sound. In these settings we can also rate the game. You can rate however you want. It's your choice. How much you like the game, it depends on you. Now I am buying more dinosaurs. And I am level 6. Now an ad game. A gold dinosaur game. Now I am going to buy the second dinosaur. I have got more second dinosaurs now. Second level dinosaurs. Now I am keeping more dinosaurs to earn more money. If I keep more dinosaurs, then I'll earn more money. Now my more level dinosaur is it's flying. If you want to get speed dinosaurs, then you can keep dinosaurs and you can earn money. If you earn more money, then you will get more dinosaurs. Now, if the 6th level dinosaur crosses, then I am getting 227 rupees. Now I am going to see another ad. Now I am going to get more money to buy the dinosaurs. Now the ad is over. Now my dinosaurs are more speed than ever. This if you click on that flying dinosaur, then it goes on full speed. If the dinosaur is more level, then its tap speed will be increased. If you tap on more level dinosaur, then the dinosaur speed will be increased for more than 10 seconds. If you get the last level dinosaur, level 20, then you can get more dinosaurs powerful than that. Now I am going to keep more powerful dinosaurs which I have earned. The more you buy the dinosaurs, the more money you have to keep to buy more dinosaurs. Now I am getting level 7 dinosaur. I have got a Dimetrodon. Now if you keep Dimetrodon, it's on full speed and click on this, it will go more speed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.